Operations by Katya, a tutorial video.
Let's start with understanding what order of operations is. The order of operations is an agreed upon sequence of steps in a complex mathematical equation. You can remember it using the acronym GEMDOS. GEMDOS stands for groups, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, let me explain the steps in more detail. G stands for groups, like parentheses or the fraction bar. For instance, in 2 plus 4 minus 3, you solve 2 plus 4 first because it's in parentheses. Likewise, if you have 3 plus 7 over 6 minus 1, you solve 3 plus 7 equals 10, and 6 minus 1 equals 5, separately, before you solve 10 over 5. E stands for exponents, and it means you have to simplify the exponents before proceeding with the equation. For example, in 8 minus 2 to the third, you first have to figure out what 2 to the third is, which is 2 times 2 times 2, or 8. So, in this equation, 8 minus 8 equals 0. M stands for multiplication. So you multiply after solving any groups or exponents. In the equation 4 plus 6 times 8, you multiply 6 times 8 before you add the 4. E stands for division, meaning the next step is to divide. In the example 15 minus 3 divided by 3, you divide 3 divided by 3 before subtracting. Interestingly, multiplication and division can be interchanged based on which comes first in the equation when it is read left to right. For instance, if you have 12 divided by 3 times 4, you can divide 12 by 3 first, even though multiplication officially comes first before division. A stands for addition, which, you guessed it, means you add next. In the problem 17 times 2 plus 4, you multiply 17 times 2, then add the 4. Finally, S stands for subtraction, which is the last operation. For the problem 2 squared plus 7 times 4 minus 11, you do all the other operations before subtracting 11. However, the same rule goes for addition and subtraction as for multiplication and division. So if the subtraction comes before the addition in the equation, subtract first. Let's solve a sample problem with all of these operations. For 12 plus 13 times 2 squared divided by 5 minus 1, add 12 and 13 first, which equals 25. Then solve the exponent, which equals 4. Then multiply 25 by 4 to get 100, and divide by 5 to get 20. Finally, subtract 1 to get the final answer, 19. Finally, the end. Thanks for watching.